Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new project. First thing, we need a rectangle. I mean a square, but in the end it became a rectangle. And change the color to black. And we need text. We use the same. Spain, I change the color to something highlight Anton. And change the size to like 220. Maybe even bigger. And go into the effects, outline, and change the color to white. And the thickness to 120-ish, like this. Position, keep it center, yes. Okay, and we just need to download this image. Remove everything from the screen. Use one image, which is like this. And just need to download this one also. Moving the image to the screen, to the Canva, and also the other one, and opening the next page to insert the final project. So going to the apps, and we need the blend image app. Using this one as a bottom, this one as the top layer, and the blend mode is green. So I'm just going to the next page, and I already had my project. And now we already have this beautiful image. As you can see, that's a pretty easy one, but still, I think a pretty good one. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my Canva tutorials. And of course, if you have any question or struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in the Facebook page, and of course in the TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I'd already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.